Man, I turned you on, turned you off, I gave a quick short off. It took a long time to turn on. I guess I didn't do it good enough. It's showtime! Hey, I'm Fish. How's everyone doing today? I hope you're having a great day. I got stuff on you that I need to get off and do my video editing. Oh, I'm not having fun. I was told that Magic's 2023 again has another issue, the last 6 seconds of blotching. And I want to thank and give a shout out to my gig user for letting me know again. I contacted Magic's community forum, and the gentleman JB's very nice and kind and very, very super helpful. He told me I need to go back and make sure that my update did not roll back and read my previous topic about the graphics card. And that is not the issue at all. Magic's just doesn't do it all. It gives you a little bit of issues here and there, and I had that issue a couple of softwares below. I also use Cyberlink Power Director 22, which is 2024. They got all these names to softwares, man. And the only thing I don't like about Power Director, when I put a file in and I put the next one in, I can't take it and drag it in. I have one extra step to hit the crossfade. My crossfade on Magic just goes right in, and I don't have to do that extra click. Also with Magic's, when I put the next clip in, it automatically magnets on. I wish Power Director did that too. It don't. I have to go back and using Power Director. I just wish they would take the title, and when you type in, shrinks down to the size. Magic's does that. So there's a lot of things that Magic's does that Power Director doesn't do. But having a good forum, a good community with Power Director, and we have a person that basically walked away. And I don't want to mention Malik's name, PDU. He's got an FB channel, and he's still there, but he can't get Power Director going. I guess that program just no longer works. And what a great gentleman he is, helping out everybody, giving them everything they need to do. And yet we don't have any more videos from him. Community forums basically just no longer like it used to be. Very difficult to navigate. And over here they had a little article thing that you put in your information. Now they moved it across the board, and they got the words title and description. Put a line. Make a little outline box so you know exactly where you're typing. Eventually you will figure it out. But yeah, man, people do the strangest things to grab the most attention. Make your brain work. I lean towards Power Director for motion tracking. Sometimes I gotta shut the program down, turn it back on to get it to work. It's not picture perfect. Now I know I gotta make it real super small, and it will track right. I made it too big and it's just hunting all over the place. Oh man, I didn't know you had to make it so super small to do that. I have my project saved where I got 2 titles, that's it. I took everything out of the library area, deleted and saved again. I want to see what happens the next time I open it up, if it's going to look for those files, ignore all. It means I got to start all over again and just do another save and get rid of that, project. It is what it is, man. One thing in Power Director I don't love, when I go to the transitions, it always goes to the gradient audio part. I want it to open up to all the transitions, maybe to the favorites. I don't know. Default to the program sucks. I have other editors, video vlogger prog. I got DaVinci Resolve 18, and it just struggles just to put things on. I know I got to create a proxy, and I like Magix for the reason of when I just open a program, I don't have to add anything. It knows where to pick the files from. It has a root, and you just go to the roots, and everything's there to work on already. And that's a good thing I like about that program. All right, so I'll have to take the next step and just put my imports in and wait for them to make the shadow files, the proxies, and off I go. There are good days, there are bad days. There are days I get on the bike, there's days I walk, there's days I do both. Oh yeah. Well, the DJI, I'm still waiting for that exchange. I'm gonna wait and wait and wait. I probably already got it, and I'm just waiting again. Time to catch up. Time to go get some. Time to do the relaxing things. Time to clean up. And that's what we're doing. And on that note, I think I'm going to end this vlog and call it a day, call it a night, call it a good vlog indeed. I got a couple on here I need to edit, and need to do, and need to finish up, and need to share. I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot, shared a lot. I hope you like my intro, outro. I'm happy. It's short enough where it doesn't need to bring attention. Have a great day. Catch you later.